Hey there, my name's Kyle Levitt, and if you're a coach that feels like things are messy after one of your clients signs up, you're not alone. Most coaches don't struggle with selling. Actually, they struggle with delivery. So let me show you how to fix that. CustomerHub is not an all-in-one platform trying to replace your existing tools. It's a coaching client portal, the place where your clients actually go to experience your coaching after they join. Let's look at an example brand called Next Level Coaching. This is what a client sees when they log in: clean, branded, and focused. Everything lives here: onboarding, all of your programs, resources, notes, downloads, etc. So instead of juggling emails and links, clients have one clear home base, one place to log in. On first login, your clients will go directly into onboarding. There's zero confusion about where to start, and you can guide them step by step through whatever your exact onboarding process is and run it automatically. So every client gets a clean, repeatable, and consistent experience. And instead of repeating yourself every time after someone joins, your onboarding just works the same way and it's automatic. This creates momentum immediately and reduces all of the one-off back and forth with each client. And because everything is fully branded with your logo, colors, fonts, and voice, your clients experience all of this as your coaching business, not a generic platform. You also have the ability to pin important coaching notes at the top of the dashboard. This keeps your most recent session or focus front and center for your client. It also reinforces accountability and makes the experience feel active, not static. Here's where you can track a client's entire coaching journey. You can document focus areas, key insights, action steps, goals, sessions, etc. So for example, you can see here Landon's progression from delegation challenges to strategic leadership planning. This makes it incredibly easy to stay aligned and keep your clients moving forward. And instead of resending PDFs or digging through email threads, you can store everything for each client in a shared file box. Worksheets, planners, reflection guides, conversation scripts, and more, all organized in one place. Your clients always know where to go to find what they need. So that's the difference. CustomerHub gives you one clean, branded hub for onboarding, coaching delivery, accountability, and resources. You get to keep your website, payment system, email tools, and everything else in your tech stack. CustomerHub simply becomes the place where your coaching happens. So if you want to clean up your coaching delivery and create a better experience for your clients, start your free trial or book a personalized demo today. You can have your coaching hub live in just minutes.